In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the December Goddess Provisions monthly box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing December's Goddess Provisions box. I'm really excited for this box. It is the winter solstice box, so I'm super excited. But before we get into it, I do want to mention a few things I have written down for you guys. If you're interested in this box, it is $33 a month, but if you do get like a 6-month plan or the 12-month plan, then they do give you a discount. They ship worldwide and shipping in US is free. If you guys have been watching my Goddess Provisions unboxing, every month you see that there's more than $80 to $100, sometimes even like $200 worth of items in this box, and you only pay $33 a month. So it's a steal for your money, and it just increases my spirituality so much, and it gives me something to learn, something to do, and something to explore. Everything in the box is cruelty-free and vegan, and they plant a tree for every single box that's sold, which I think is so sweet. Every box has 5 to 7 full-size items, whether that be, you guys have seen candles, tarot cards, oracle cards, crystals, books, digital downloads. It ranges, and it's so fun and interesting. Every single month is different, and it's just really exciting. So if you guys are interested, this is the last unboxing of Goddess Provisions for the year of 2021. You guys know it's not an unboxing unless I have a drink. These are my downtime videos. These are my videos where I don't have to really put in too much work into it. I just have to unbox on the camera. It's very nice and relaxing, and I love it, and I love to do it over a drink with you guys. So go ahead and pause, grab yourself your coffee, your tea, your drink, your snack, and let's get to unboxing. This one doesn't seem as heavy as some of the other boxes, but I see some really nice things in here. So as soon as you open it up, this is what it looks like. You guys know, if you have watched me before, I like to dig to the bottom of the box, and I like to pull the card out. You know how cats love the box instead of what's in the box? I feel like that every time a Goddess Provisions comes, and I'm like, let me get the card. So this is a card. You guys know I love to use the front because it's just very inspiring, the artwork on it, and it's just very colorful. So this month it says I celebrate all of my blessings, and I love that. So I like to put it on journals, fridge, just keep it around you, you know, in your environment. So you plant that into your subconscious mind, right? It's like an affirmation card. And then when you go into the card, then it shows you everything that's in it and how much it retails for and any discount codes that they give you. So I already saw some goodies. Let's get into the box so that you guys can see it too. So the first thing that I want to pull out here is coconut milk, dark chocolate caramelized coconut milk, single origin vanilla, sweetened with coconut sugar and caramelized coconut milk. It's coconut cream. What do you do with it? Is it hot chocolate? I think this is hot chocolate, right? Oh, it's a chocolate bar. It felt like powder in the beginning. It's a chocolate bar. Okay, so it's a Coconut Dream dark chocolate bar. And it's a $6.50 value. Now, a neat little trick you could do, which actually I might even show you guys how to do this in a separate video, but you can carve runes or sigils or stuff into your chocolate bar before you feed it to you and your partner or to you and your family. Say if you want to invite a little bit more harmony, right? Protection for your family, for the bond of the family. You would carve it on the chocolate, and then you would just kind of feed it to everybody. But I might do a video. What do you guys think before I open it? The next thing I pull out is in this really cute little case, and it says Celestial Magic Seed of Creation Ritual Lighter Case. You know, spiritual workers, I feel like, always need lighters, especially if you work with candles and herbs and stuff like that. So this is really pretty. Wow. Okay, I have a lighter right here. See, I have lighters everywhere. Look at this. But it doesn't fit. Oh, actually, there it goes. I'm in love. So the lighter didn't come with it, obviously. I just put my own lighter in there. So if you put a black lighter in there or any color, it would look so cute, and you could switch it out for seasons, Halloween, Christmas. I love this. I'm gonna have this all the time, you guys. I love it. So this lighter case is a $33 value. Holy shit, why? It's a brass lighter. Okay, All right, if you guys go to Google and you look up brass and like the magical properties, magical energies of brass, you'll know why this is $33. The next thing I see here is some fuzzy socks. So it says Fuzzy Dreams socks. These are really cute. Look how cute these socks are. They have like, what is that called? Where you flip it over and the sand falls down. Ooh, actually, you know what it reminds me of? If you guys ever watch Days of Our Lives, please let me know in the comments down below. I watched Days of Our Lives for over 20 years. So if you know, then you know what that symbol is. Like sand through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. Do you guys remember that? Let me know. These socks remind me of that. Oh my god, and if you guys watched it, do you guys remember Stefano? Do you remember Marlena, John, Roman? Oh, who else? Carrie and Austin, Sammy, Lucas, Will. Do you guys know who I'm talking about? Oh my god, this just really takes me back. But let's go ahead and read what's in the card. So this is a $12 value. And so they are a $12 value, which I feel like it's a little pricey for some socks. The next thing that I see here is a crystal. So I'm not sure what crystal this is. I'll pull the card in a little bit right after I show you, but it's really pretty. It looks like moonstone. This is, no, it's not a moonstone. It is a blue chalcedony. I can't say that name. I'm gonna have to really look that up. But it's a $4 value, and it's a stone that helps clear energetic blocks, and it's balancing, and it helps to guide you make the best decisions for your spiritual growth. Perfect timing for this full moon in Gemini, I think. Okay, I just filmed the video for the Gemini full moon. Check that out. I'm not sure if it's going to be up before this one or if that's going to come after this video. But this is a really good stone to work with, because in that video I mentioned it's really good time to work with blue stones. And this is such a beautiful hue and tint of blue. Such a subtle, I don't know if the camera will even pick it up, but perfect stone to work with this Gemini full moon. Okay, the next thing I see here comes in this little tin. It looks like it's a candle, I think. Soy blend candle, clove and eucalyptus icy glow. Let's see what it smells like. So here is what the candle looks like. It smells really, really good. You definitely smell that eucalyptus, little hint of clove, and there's crystals in it too, of course, you could tell. So like when you burn this tin down, write around the tin your intention, right? Perfect. Protection, for love. For clove and eucalyptus, I would do healing, protection, also opening up communication, opening up your roads. Use this in the full moon in Gemini. Like any of your intention for the full moon in Gemini, cloves will open your pathway and eucalyptus will open your doors. Like put your intention into this candle, carve it in there. If you get the goddess provisions, this is a really good candle to use. And then after you're done, you could use the tin for your herbs or your crystals or your jewelry, and it's, you know, your personalized charged tin. So this candle retails for $10, and they do give you 50% off coupon code and a free sticker on their website if you go shop there. I love this. This is nice. Not bad for $10 because you do get crystals in there, and it's definitely natural essential oils. You can definitely smell it. The last thing I see here comes in this little baggie, and it's huge, and it's, oh my gosh, wait till I show you guys a close-up. Okay, so as I'm taking this out of the baggie, I'm realizing that there's a lot of symbolism on here, and this is very high quality. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so look at this ring. It's a clear quartz ring. Here is what the inside of it looks like. It's adjustable, which I love. Here is the coolest part on the inside though. Look at those engravings on the inside. It's the sun and the moon and the stars, and just, it's really, really beautiful. Okay, so this Even though I adjusted it to the tightest it could be, it's loose. Okay, so this is a clear quartz ring, and it's made from the metal of the psychic mind. This adjustable silver-plated ring not only accents your outfits, but helps you channel psychic energy. Guess how much this is, you guys? $44. This is a $44 value. You get more than your money's worth in this box. And they do give you a 20% off code on the website, so you could go shop there. And I'm not gonna take this off. It just feels really good, really fitting. I did my nails yesterday finally after like 10 months. And then it feels right. It feels like it was a part of me that needed to be there. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a good box. I loved how they curated the December box. Well worth your money. Obviously, you get so many good things. If you're interested in this December box, then the last day to order is December 16th. So remember that, and I do have a discount code for you down below if you're interested. But I love it. I think pick it up because, I mean, I'll show you guys how to do the chocolate thing. And everything else you could use so magically. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you very soon.